it's Ulianka. In today's video I'm going to try a few Cameleon cleaning products. What do you think of them? I haven't tried them yet, but I'm going to try them now and say what I think about them. So I've got Cameleon face paint soap, Moist Me waterless remover, and lemon sorbet soap foam. So this is what we're going to try today, and let's get started.
Before we start, please like, subscribe and click the bell button to know when I post. I make a variety of time lapses, makeup tutorials and product reviews. So if that's what you enjoy, this is the channel for you. Out of these three products, I used only face paint soap. I like this product and it's easy to use the soap. So I first rinse the brush out of the excess of paint, then rub in the soap with the brush and then creating a foam with silicone brush cleaner and at the end washing it all off. I started face painting over 10 years ago and I clean my brushes this way since the beginning. Until now I have most of my brushes, they're just adding to my collection, so I hardly thrown away any of them. I never tried lemon sorbet soap foam before and I'm just experimenting here, so I'm painting my arm and then drying it and then applying this foam to my arm. And it's cleaning, it's cleaning quite nice. I suppose the blue colors, which are always staining, will be harder to wash off, but this green is washing off alright. I'm using dry cloth at the moment just to take away all of the excess of the moist. Then next, the same way, I'm going to clean my brush. And for the brush it worked well as well. So what can I say about sorbet soap foam? Oh, and by the way, this soap smells heavenly, very delicate and fresh. I would say I would like to keep it in my kit. The only thing that I would do differently from what I've done just now, I would first wash the paint with a damp cloth and then only to apply the foam. It will definitely reduce the usage of the foam, and it's quite easy to use it on the go when you're outside, like on the event when you don't have an access to the water and to the soap. Next, I'm trying waterless remover. If soap and soap foam was designed to wash the face paint, I read that this product can do more than that. Let's check it. Obviously, I'm going to start with a regular face paint first. I'm squeezing it out and washing off my face paint. It washes off alright, but it feels like I would need to have more remover. So what I've done next, I painted my hand again and added water in addition to remover, and that worked much better. So I would still say it would need to be first washed off with a damp cloth, for example, and then use the remover to take away all the excess of paint. After successfully removing face paints, I decided to go for more heavy-duty stuff and to use mixing liquid together with glitter, which is much harder to remove, then hybrid paint and then alcohol-based paints. They're also not very easy to remove even with a soap. If you haven't used alcohol paints before, they can be activated only with a high percentage of alcohol, and they're very hard to remove as well, either with alcohol or with special liquids, and they're used for SFX makeup or for fake tattoos. Since I never tried to use waterless remover before, I was sure it wouldn't work, but actually it worked very well and washed off everything perfectly. For the glitter part, I applied the remover on the top and let it sit there for 2 minutes, and after it I could wipe it off without any problems. So trying out these washing supplies today turned out to be a very pleasant surprise. and I'm really pleased that I have now new ways to remove my stuff, because for example for alcohol paints I only thought I will need to be using the special remover for them. I hope you find today's video as useful as I did. Please like this video as it keeps me going, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye! If you are on Instagram, pop into one of my accounts and say hello. I do arts and crafts, face painting, creative makeup, and healthy food and travel. I hope to see you there!